Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Monday, September 21, 2020 on our channel. Let's go. First news today. ENGIE Refrigeration offers the quantum air with heat recovery as an option. Quantum air chillers from ENGIE Refrigeration are now available with optional heat recovery. Customers can thus reuse up to 100% of the waste heat generated during the cold generation process, and use it for heating purposes, for example. This reduces resource use and improves energy efficiency. The feature is especially interesting for industrial enterprises, data centers, hospitals, and hotels. ENGIE Refrigeration now offers a forward-looking solution, offers its quantum air chillers with heat recovery as an option. Water-cooled quantum chillers have been available with optional heat recovery for many years, and customers are still running them successfully. As this feature has many advantages, ENGIE Refrigeration now offers it for the quantum air as well. The basis is an ingenious technical solution. The experts at ENGIE Refrigeration integrate an additional heat exchanger in the quantum air chiller. This exchanger makes it possible to conduct the heat generated during the cold generation process to a defined heat process, such as production hall heating or warm water supply in offices. Otherwise, this heat would be released into the environment, unused, via the air-cooled condensers. Users thus utilize free heat energy that they would otherwise have to obtain from an additional heat generator. This heat energy can be used either completely or partially in what is referred to as combined operation. To this end, the waste heat is transferred to a heat circuit via a parallel flooded shell and tube condenser. The chiller fans now run at partial load or not at all. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. The webinar, Future of Natural Refrigerants for the Ultra-Low Temperature Applications. Maersk Intex invite you to participate in our first series of webinars on an innovative take on natural refrigerant solution for ultra-low temperature applications. The first webinar will be on Wednesday, September 23 at 13:30 p.m. Dedicate just 30 minutes to know more than others. Key takeaway. Learn more about Maersk. Future of NatRef and the times of F-gas regulations and restrictions. Maersk's innovative approach to ULT applications via a simple and cost-effective solution. Description of advantages created with Maersk cold refrigeration systems. Don't miss the chance to listen and interact with our eminent speakers. Register https://maerskintex.com/webinar/registration. Read more about Maersk Intex, SRO. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Kaltra raises the bar for industrial dry coolers. Kaltra has extended its range of high-capacity dry coolers with Mistral series units in a V-shaped configuration, up to 2,000 kilowatts in the air-cooled version and as high as up to 3,000 kilowatts with the adiabatic, a total of about 500 models. While differing in the range of applications, new Mistral dry coolers are built around fin tube heat exchangers with improved heat transfer performance. Inner grooved copper tubes of a small diameter contribute to a cooling density of 75 kilowatts per square meter and higher. At the same time, airside fins with unique profiles create a low pressure drop, enabling lower fan energy use and maintain moderate noise levels. For sensitive applications, Kaltra made available heat exchangers with stainless steel pipes and a selection of fin materials, aluminum, magnesium alloys, and copper. Mistral dry coolers have been developed for cooling applications in the oil and gas, chemical, petrochemical, power generation, and food processing industries. Corrosion-resistant, robust, and easily serviceable design contributes to long operating life even in harsh environmental conditions. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Maersk is launching its second dedicated warehouse in Poland. Since 2001, Maersk has been offering global pharmaceutical players in Central Europe professional warehousing and distribution services specifically tailored to meet the needs of this demanding customer segment. To further build on this experience and address growing customer needs, Maersk is launching a project to create a second pharmaceutical warehouse as part of its existing warehousing and distribution center in Chynów, Poland, expected to be operational by end of June 2021. Equipped with a modern, state-of-the-art temperature controlling system that will ensure the safety of sensitive cargo, the new building will be to a large extent powered by renewable energy, ensuring its sustainability and carbon neutrality. The facility will have integrated quality management system implemented, based on good distribution and manufacturing practice, GDP, and ISO certificates. Read more the news on our website today. 5th News Today. The agenda of the Refrigeration Conference 2020 has been formed. The second edition of the conference Refrigeration Industry, Effective Solutions for the Food Industry will be held on October 7 at Expo Center, Moscow, as part of the AgroPredmash 2020 exhibition. Leading refrigeration companies will present their practical solutions for the implementation of energy-efficient refrigeration equipment at retail and food industry enterprises. The key topic of the conference is refrigeration equipment based on eco-friendly, natural refrigerants. Puzhinov Sergey, Technical Director Land Company, will tell about the experience and implementation CO2 refrigeration systems the distribution center Pyotorochka, X5 Retail Group, in Podolsk, Moscow region. And Kondratayev Andrei, Senior Project Engineer KSC Trucks, to compare advantages and disadvantages of a centralized NH3 brine CO2 for distribution centers. Read full agenda of the event. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.